clinical trial is a research study in which human subjects are prospectively assigned to one or more interventions, which may include placebo or other controls, to evaluate the effects of those interventions, such as novel drugs, specific devices, or behavioral therapies, on health-related outcomes. And remember, when submitting your clinical trial, please always indicate the trial registration number. So those clinical trials or high-impact studies that will be only completed after the abstract deadline, but in time to release results in the late-breaking science session, can be submitted to the late-breaking science section. It's important to mention in the submission why the submit abstract is considered of high impact. Well, if you anticipate to submit your final results as a late-breaking contribution, you are encouraged to submit a placeholder abstract now to the regular system. This abstract can describe the trial and analysis that will be available. This will assist the conference committee in reserving a suitable slot on the program, and you can upgrade your abstract with results during the late-breaking submission window.